This here is the C68 from Yunzii, but now we have a Panda edition. If you're familiar with this keyboard, they dropped a Cat edition previously. Never thought in a million years I'd ever have a type of keyboard like this come across my studio space and have one to be able to review for you guys, but here we are. Times are crazy, and I got myself the most adorable Panda keyboard in the world, and I'm not going to gatekeep this. I'm going to give this keyboard away to one lucky viewer / subscriber out there. So if you want your chance at winning something this effing adorable, we'll stick around to the end of the video to figure out how you have a chance to win this bad boy. Now, I did try to collaborate with Yunzii on the giveaway, but unfortunately they are short-handed when it comes to these keyboards. So I'm going to be covering everything, and I will ship this out to a lucky winner. But I'm going to go ahead and give this the old QGINHQ review, and we're going to check this bad boy out. It is adorable, also ridiculous, and it is, this dude won't stop staring at me. Even the box is adorable. Look at this thing. I mean, Yunzii is not playing around, man. They are all in on the Panda. As soon as you open the box, you're greeted with this giant Panda face mouse pad, just looking into your soul. It loves you. We also have some boxes here with some accessories in them, one holding your alternate keycap set with some bonus footing, 2 extra switches, and the other here has our USB-C cable and keycap puller. Finally, we have the C68 Panda keyboard itself, and this thing is adorable. It's also much heavier than I thought it would be. This entire keyboard is actually encased in a silicone material, which was pretty shocking to say the least. I sort of just assumed this entire thing would be plastic, but this being a soft silicone gives it a much more comfortable and soft feel. We have a 65% keyboard layout with 68 keys in total, and the keycaps themselves are a die-sublimated PBT, and they have a rounded top to them, which feels quite nice. Now, the keyboard is Windows and Mac OS compatible, and yes, it will also work on your favorite consoles. You could use this keyboard in wired, wireless, or in Bluetooth mode, and all of your connectivity options are located here in the inside the back of the Panda. Technically, like, this is where his little panda butt would be, but they're inside here. We have our connectivity options for our USB-C, as well as a little switch for our wireless mode. Now, flipping the keyboard over, we have 2 little panda paws as footing, which again, also pretty cute. You could just pop one of these out, and inside we have a little area to hide your wireless receiver, which is pretty clever. Now, the C68 has a 4000 milliamp battery, which will last a lot longer with the RGB off compared to when it's on. Now, personally, if I was going to rock this board all the time, I would just leave the RGB off on this keyboard because I just don't want anything taken away from this adorable panda face just looking at me every time I'm gaming, you know? But you do have your basic RGB functions, which is really cool. The LEDs are south facing, which is a nice touch, and it's vibrant enough to notice in between the keycaps. This C68 Panda is equipped with Yunzii's brand new Panda switches, really sticking to that theme here, some decently tuned stabilizers with some sound dampening fillings, and a solid steel plate. Now, we do have a hot swap PCB here, and this is compatible with other 3 or 5 pin switches if you'd like. And I've gotten the opportunity to use these new Panda switches beforehand, and I really have to say I really do like the sound and feel of these switches. I think they're one of the better options that Yunzii currently has to offer, but you be the judge. This Panda keyboard low-key kinda slaps. I'm team linear all the way. I like these Panda switches. This whole thing just kinda sounds, it just sounds creamy and nice. I mean, this Panda's so fucking cute. But no, the testing did not stop there when it came to the Panda C68. I took this adorable bastard into war with me. Yes, some high-octane Valorant gameplay is where I took this keyboard. Now, I figured, well, let's see how well I can perform with this oddball of a board. But at the same time, maybe he'll make me feel better every time that I tilt, or I'll have someone else to blame besides myself and my really, really good communicating team.
Reloading.
Satchel out. Satchel out. Okay.
That was all you, Panda. That was all you.
Keep this momentum.
Reloading.
Why? Could I get your best panda impersonation?
Panda.
Enemy mid.
Panda.
Yeah, panda. Yeah, let me hear it. Okay. Kind of sounded like a monkey.
Yeah. That's a panda.
Sick, dude. Appreciate you. He still has the shield, panda? Why? Overall, I liked it. I think this little panda can perform. Now, this keyboard's available in the all-white version that you saw here today, or there's an all-black version over on Yunzii's website, depending on which one you want to have match your aesthetic. It will retail for $99.99, but no worries. If you use promo code QGINHQ at checkout, that will knock $5 off of this keyboard or anything else over on Yunzii's website, and that will allow you to get this really cute, cuddly panda bear for as little as $95. Now let's get on to the giveaway. So the way to enter is actually pretty simple. 1, I ask that you be a subscriber to the channel. 2, please like the video. And 3, I want to see a photo of your gaming setup. Yes, I want to see the future of this little panda's home, potentially. So you could either tag me on Instagram in a photo of your gaming setup, or you can join the official Discord channel and drop a photo of your gaming setup there. Once you've done that, comment entered down below in the comment section on this video, and you will be entered into your shot at winning one of these panda boards. Now, at the end of the 4-week period, it's probably gonna be about a month total, so everyone has enough time to enter. I will be picking a winner with a few friends, and I will announce it across all my socials. There will be no money exchange between me and you whatsoever. So if someone tries hitting you up saying that you won and they're looking for money, or like Telegram, nothing like that. So be careful, watch out for bots, watch out for scams. I will be the only person to contact you, and trust me, I have my ways of verifying who you are. And don't just go pull some random setup off of the internet, because I'm going to be asking for future proof if you are the potential winner. That is it. Good luck. Maybe no one enters. Maybe you're the only person that enters. You never know. So you better get on it right now. All right, guys, that's it for me. Most importantly, you guys stay safe out there. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.